for a ride, lady. Come. Get it. I'm a fan, you know. I've always been a fan.
What do you want?
Oh, the news behind the news. And you didn't tell us. You didn't tell us where Romeo and Juliet are.
Tune in tomorrow.
Oh, God. Don't fuck with me, all right? You don't understand. You don't really believe that I'm gonna break your arms one at a time. When you get to know me a little better, you'll tell me.
Oh, God! Oh.
Hey, fellas, what are you doing?
Where's Helen?
I don't know. She's not answering her pager. Now, gentlemen, I'm going to have to ask you to leave.
You stupid bastard. Why'd you let her do that story, huh? Where'd she find the girl?
I don't know. Helen didn't tell me. She wouldn't tell me. She never tells me anything.
Who'd she get her tip from?
People phone in here all the time. Maybe her messages.
You call them. You do your reporting thing. You find out where they are. You tell them you got money for them. I don't care what you got to do, but you get over there and you call them now. Now, please.
For Christ's sakes, get on with it. We gotta get out of here.
What do you think?
Shut up!
We didn't do anything!
Yes, you did.
No balls or brains, huh, Chaka?
Shut her up!
Kasajian wants the war to stop. It's her brother you want, not her.
He's next.
No, he's not. You can't get him. He's beating you all over town. My guess is if he keeps it up, you're a dead man.
Shut the fuck up.
You kill her and you got nothing to use against him. You're back to square one. Is that where you want to be, Chaka? Oh, Kasajian will love that.
Shut up! I'm trying to think. You got a nasty mind, lady.
I'm right.
We're all gonna go for a nice little boat ride. Come on.
Southside, top floor.
Gee, thanks.
They took Darrow away.
Where?
To Kasajian. Grave freighter. At the spit.
Hey, that's Helen's car. Jeez, the plank's up. You think we can get up there?
If we don't, we will.
Is that the best answer you can give me?
Come on. I don't want a 6-shooter. I want an automatic. Chrome.
I look like Santa Claus to you, huh? Let's get out of here, man.
Yeah, it's Ethan.
Why, that son of a bitch. He's processing his own drugs.
Come on.
You got any ideas?
Yeah, let's go get him out.
I'm not Roy Rogers. I'm not gonna shoot my way in and shoot my way out. We need a diversion.
Come on, follow me. Shit! Something's wrong.
Huh?
Something's wrong.
Well, you're
You
the
don't
expert.
know nothing about him.
Well, what do y'all gotta know? He took you in the middle of some kind of drug deal. And what kind of man in his right mind would take you in a place like that?
He didn't want to take me anywhere. I wanted to be there.
Killing people for some low-life gangster? Well, then you're crazier than he is.
Why should I listen to you? Your ass come out the Army. Special Forces. Big hero. And now what you doing? Driving a cab. Big fucking deal.
Today's top story, a police officer and several suspected gang members killed in a shootout.
Turn it up!
When we return, Live Eyes' Helen Walensky is on the scene at Mount Forest Cemetery as police officers comb through the wreckage.
Level, Helen?
Cop 6, Hoods 1. Stay tuned for final scores at 11.
Sensitive and vulnerable as always. Touch the wrong button, you'd never work again.
Yeah, well, neither would you, Jimmy. Just after 4 p.m. this afternoon, a team of police officers involved in an undercover drug buy were attacked. A police officer and 6 suspects were killed. It all took place.
You're gonna be all right?
And you can still see officers.
I'll see you tomorrow. I'm out of here.
Right.
Catch you later, Jimmy. Frank, I'm really sorry about Wallace. How come it went bad?
Look, there'll be a press conference in the morning. You can ask them.
Come on, I'm just asking. No mic, no notepad. I've signed off for the night.
Helen, I've known you for 5 years. You've never signed off. That's been the problem.
Yeah, well, I'd like to think we've both grown up a bit since then, Frank.
Yeah, right.
I don't know exactly what you're going through. I just want to help if I can.
Yeah, especially if there's a good story in it for you, huh?
Hey, that is not fair, Frank. I am just trying to do a hard job the best way that I can, just like you.
No, it's not the same. You got a hard day, your camera jams. Tonight, I'm going to be sitting in Wallace's living room, looking at his wife's face, watching her whole world cave in. There's a big difference there, Helen.
I'm sorry, Frank. Can I drive you back into town? Please?
Mr. Kasajian, we'll see you now.
When you first came to me, I saw a special strength. It's not always a good sign.
They had us set up.
I know. Do you know what it is that makes a leader? Sacrifice. Sacrifice yourself, and men will follow you anywhere.
Nobody knew.
Don't say anything. I just wanted you to know. Later tonight, my man will find your lady friend and kill her.
What are we doing here, Frank?
It's one of Kasajian's joints. Maybe we'll learn something. You know, he never hated anyone. He found something good in the worst slime balls you could imagine.
It can make the job easier sometimes.
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
You know, Frank, you're welcome to stop by later if you like.
You sure that's a good idea?
What are you doing here?
You don't know how to listen, do you? Tara, go home.
Why don't you just beat it, buddy?
Why don't you shut up? Get out of here.
Why don't you get out of here?
Frank, aren't you gonna do anything?
Yeah. Have me another drink.
Coming with me.
Are you crazy?
Yeah.
Whoa, hold it, fella. I'm a cop. Hands against the railing. Let's go. What, you figure you're faster than a speeding bullet?
Tara, get out of here.
I hate that karate shit. Now, you're under arrest for insulting an officer with that crap. Now, get your fat ass up now. All right, tough guy. You want to fight, huh?
Come on.
Freeze!
Huh?
Get him!
Get down! Hands on the table!
Mister, I'm a cop. I got a badge in my back pocket. The right side.
Sorry.
Enjoy the paperwork.
Are you all right?
Friends of yours? Look at him! You look at him. Are these the people you hang out with? Kasajian people? You tell me! And now they want to kill you?
I didn't do anything.
You didn't do anything. You're right there in the middle of a shootout. A cop gets killed. Where's your boyfriend?
I don't know.
He had to know about this.
No, he wouldn't do that.
Because he loved you? Right.
He does love me.
You know who these jokers were?
Kasajan's mob.
Who's on the other side?
Hard to tell.
Bit of a one-sided fight. Neighbor say anything?
How about what you'd expect around here?
Didn't see or hear anything?
No, I wish I could sleep as soundly as that. Can't say I blame him, though.
Cool.
What happened here?
Well, my. Running a little late, aren't we, Helen?
Who lives here?
A man and young lady, I think.
You think?
Yeah, I think.
I don't think they're coming back. Looks like they've cleared everything out.
No kidding.
So what do you think it all means?
You know what I think? I think it's 2 less scumbags on the street I gotta deal with. That's what I think.
Okay, thanks. You got that, Jimmy?
Close up.
Oh, wait a second. Whoa, hang on, Helen. Come on now. You're not going to use that on me, are you?
Well, I may have to unless I get something better.
Oh, come on, Helen. Orders. Wait a second. Hang on.
A full-scale police investigation is underway to put an end to this senseless violence.
That's great. Sure, one of those quotes will work.
Oh, you wouldn't do that to me, would you, Helen?
Oh, come on, Helen.
As far as I am concerned, I never saw you. And if I did see you, I didn't know you. If I knew you, you forced me to do it. Yes. But you can stay as long as you want.
You one hell of a friend.
Yeah. A lot of good has done that for me, being a good friend.
What am I supposed to do here?
Stay alive.
This is your fault.
What?
You grabbed me out the car.
You want to stay there and get shot at?
That's why they're after me now. You don't get it. You're messing with my life. You want to take on the whole world and be my big bad brother. And now you've made me a target.
Well, I didn't know.
Billy, they all think I snitched. It's your fault.
And if that's not enough, I got the press breathing down my neck. I gotta take you off the case.
Oh, that's bullshit. Who else is going to handle a case like this, huh?
Anybody. Anybody who's not a walking time bomb.
Look, it was my sting, my responsibility, and he was my partner. And the animal that did this to Wallace, he's mine too.
You don't give a damn what you kick along the way. Look at you.
Look, I screw up, you got my head on a platter. Till then, you give me a chance, Lieutenant. Come on.
Hey, turn this up, will you? I want to hear this.
Besides, I'm the only guy who's seen the guy.
Oh, no. Oh, you didn't talk to her, did you?
I didn't talk to nobody.
Rossi! Get out of my way.
We spoke with Metro Police Detective Frank Rossi.
A full-scale police investigation is underway to put an end to this senseless violence.
Police have also denied
What a
any
hell of a
connections
job,
with
Frank.
yesterday's Mount Forest Cemetery massacre.
That was the dullest clip I've ever seen. They're never going to have you on TV again.
They were found with fractured skulls,
got it under
collapsed
control.
lungs, and numerous
Really?
internal injuries. Channel 3 News has been assured that police
He'd
action
shoot up
will
the
be
men we
swift
sent.
and effective. For Channel 3 News,
Guess you sent the wrong men.
Thanks, Helen. Helen will be back at 10:30, keeping us up to
What do you know about this man?
He's her brother.
Some brother. Find them both and kill them.
Hey, you know where I can find Kasajan?
Sajin, no, no way.
Okay, thank you, man. I need to talk to Kasajan. Hey, G, Kasajan has a hit out on my sister. You knew where I could find him?
Nope. Sorry, Billy.
Thanks, man. You know Gantry?
No.
Kasajian?
Uh-uh.
What about you?
Look, just get the hell out.
You listen. I know Kasajian owns this hole. You tell him to take a hit off my sister, or he's dead. You understand?
Get the hell out of here.
Who is it?
It's Frank.
Just a minute, Frank. Hi.
Hi. Oof, maybe I caught you at a bad time there.
No, I was just taking a bath. Come on in. Frank, that is so sweet. Come in.
Don't come any closer. Don't.
What's this for?
They sent me to kill you.
Go ahead. Do it.
Evening, Jack.
How you doing?
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
What's up, dude?
What's up, man?
Go round up the boys and do a number on our friend's head.
Hey, dude, Chaka says check the brother with the hood.
You and me. You're all mine, man! Get that son of a bitch now! Get going!
Well, now, isn't this special, huh? Well, go ahead, hot dog. Try that smart-ass kick again, huh?
You're coming with me, man! Come on, move your ass! Who the hell are you anyway? Move, move, move! Get in here, damn it! Hurry, hurry! Come on! What the hell did you do to piss your friends off?
That's my friend! drive a little faster?
That's enough of this.
Yeah! What are you doing? Are you crazy? Brake it, brake, 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 brake!
You're gonna tell me your deal with Kasajian's mob now.
Or you'll shoot me? They got a hit out on my sister.
You did a hell of a lot of damage there, mister.
Just protecting my home and family.
Come on.
Here! Do you know how to use one of these things? Cover me, man.
Just what the department needed on prime time, Rossi.
Sorry, boss. I tried to get them to hold their fire till after the 11 o'clock news, but you know these kids today, they got no damn respect.
Something I want to show you.
Single-handedly held his own
There.
until Channel
See
3's
that?
Live Eye in the Sky notified
You had your
TF
dead.
officers to assist
You were
in this
reloading.
unbelievable showdown.
Your clip was out.
Gang members are suspected to have tied
There's one in the chamber, man.
drug trafficking
You sure there wasn't someone else there helping you?
Hey, come on, Lieutenant. How often does someone jump in to help a cop, huh?
And next on the 10:30 report, we go to the streets for reactions from concerned.
So, who was the guy with you at the rail yards?
Well, there wasn't anybody with me. At least nobody on my side.
Oh, yes, there was.
So?
Just a social call.
Yeah, we don't need none.
Chatan, huh? Right? Jerry Chatan.
You can't come in.
Now, you don't really mean that, do you? What if I was to tell your parole officer that you were working for Kasaja? You'd be back bending over for them big boys for another 3 years now, wouldn't you, huh?
Smoke is death. Smoke is death. Smoke is death. There is no need. Smoke is death. I have no need. Smoke is death. Smoke is death. I have no need. I have no need. What on earth do you think you're doing? What are you? Who the hell are you?
I'm the apprentice.
No. No. You're dead.
Come on, huh? You want to fight? Come on. Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! Fight me, tough guy, huh? You wanna fight? You pig!
Are you finished yet?
I haven't even started. You want to be dead, huh? Isn't that what you said? You want to be dead? Well, here's the chance of a lifetime. No! You're under arrest. You got the right to remain silent. Everything you say can and will be held against you in a court of law.
On what grounds are you torturing me and my employees?
On the grounds that this subhuman murdering scum killed Officer Frank Wallace right in front of me. But I'm sure that the state prosecutor will spell it out for you in much greater detail in the morning.
I doubt that you will have him quite that long.
If you'll excuse us. His name's Charles Bender, better known as Shaka. Book him, assault, murder, anything you
I'm
want.
Mr. Bender's attorney. We'd appreciate the paperwork on this as soon as you can manage it.
Get out of my sight.
There's no need for that, Mr. Rossi. We all have a job to do here. I can see you be
Job?
doing yours.
You call what you do a job?
Let me paint you a picture, mister.
Back off.
Yeah, a man. No, a piece of garbage. Takes a knife and guts a helpless police officer. Are you understanding what I'm saying to you?
You gotta prove that.
I saw it.
Come on, Frank. He's not worth it.
He'll be out of here tomorrow. I guarantee it.
You maggot.
Look, will you relax? One guy and you don't pack shit.
Listen, you hit Madam Chang's. We could be next.
Looks like Gantry turned. Our very own Romeo. Stupid prick.
I'm getting killed here.
Hey, shut up and draw.
I want Tara back, you hear me? I want Tara back!
We don't have her!
Who are you? One of you will live. I don't care which one. Who are you? One of you will live.
They're both dead. It's just me. Let me out.
You tell Kasabian I want my sister back. And he's next. Right.
Well, somebody just trashed another of Kasabian's fronts. Wonder who that could be.
Well, did your office get the message from the police scanner?
No, cops probably don't even know yet.
Oh, that's terrific. Maybe we should just close down shop and plug 911 into your beeper, huh? Come on, let's go. You know, the word on the street says you're next. But don't worry, Mr. Kasabian.
I'm not worried. You should be worried. Find him. Find her. Kill them.
Hang on, whoa. What happened?
You came to get the girl. We didn't have her.
Who?
We didn't have her.
Get him out of here. Look, we don't even know if Kasabian's got the girl.
Well, you're vigilante. I'm a mean, concerned citizen. Thinks he does.
Shit.
I want to find her before he does.
Never happened.
I've got 100 people with their grubby noses as close to the ground as they can get. If she breaks cover, somebody's gonna know.
Hey, girl, can you spare a cord?
Sure. There you go.
Ah, thanks a lot.
Good afternoon, Channel 3 News.
I got a message for Miss Helen. It's Skeeter.
He walked
Before you had your breakfast.
He's a cop killer. What do I gotta do? Kill him with my bare hands to get him off the street?
Hope I'm not hearing you right.
He's out there laughing at us.
You're off the case.
For what?
You lost the drugs. You lost the money. I got a cop on my hands. Everybody knows that's a personal vendetta. You know what that adds up to?
No, you tell me.
You know, people are saying you know who's knocking over Kasabian's soldiers and letting them run. Now, I'm not saying that. But God help you if I find out you've turned vigilante on me.
Now get out of here!
Yes, sir!
I think it's called Central Wrecking.
Right, you mean that junkyard on Polson Street?
Paulson Street, yeah. It's just a front, man. It's just a front for a chop shop. Has been for years.
Well, if you can dig up anything else Kasajan's got his paws into, I'd appreciate it.
Frank.
I know I owe you.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
This is the only way you know how to say hello.
Hey, well, you become a very dangerous man.
Why'd you shoot the other guys?
Because I had to shoot somebody. It was a tough choice, buddy.
What are you gonna do?
What am I gonna do? I'm gonna take you in. That's what I'm gonna do.
Take me in for what?
There's been a traffic jam down at the morgue ever since you got involved in this damn thing. That's for what?
Man, they got my sister. They're gonna kill her.
So you're gonna start a war?
Yeah. What would you do? What if they had your sister or your wife?
You can't keep doing this, man.
I'm gonna walk away.
Don't do that. Hey. Don't do that. Hey! Hey! Stop!
I don't have a choice, you do. You can either let me find my sister, or you can shoot me right here.
Hey, I got a job to do, buddy. I'm gonna do it.
My sister saw Chuck and kill your partner.
What exactly are you trying to say to me?
What I'm trying to say is you don't want to shoot me. Help me. We're both on the same side.
You got a message from Skeeter.
Thanks, Cliff.
Okay.
Hey, Joe, hold 3 minutes for me.
What do you got?
I can't explain now, but I'll be back for the 10:30. Trust me.
We just wanted to be together, and then it all went crazy. They're all flipping. We ain't going back to any of that.
What about your brother?
I'm worried about him. He loves me, but...
I can let him know that you're all right if you want.
That'll be a great help.
We're gonna start over again, just the two of us. Somewhere where...
No, Tara. I don't want to know where you go from here.
So what are you going to say about us on TV?
That you want to be together. To love each other away from all this madness.
Maybe Billy will understand.
Thank you.
Is it gonna be on tonight?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be on TV.
I gotta tell you, after all the trouble you caused, Kasajan's gonna use Tara to get to you, man.
And what if she's already dead?
Look, most of Kasajan's businesses are drug fronts operated by gang members.
Well, what did this got to do with my sister?
A lot.
Tonight, young lovers caught in the crossfire. Every day, we discover more victims in this vicious gang war that is terrorizing our city.
It's enough that you're dealing with a 6'11" power forward.
Willie, put that back on.
Flexibility from the field, and you've got yourself a tough man.
In a small room just moments ago, I spoke with a beautiful young woman, very much in love, but also very afraid. I cannot show you her face, and I cannot tell you where that small room is, or they would be killed.
What's up, man?
All they really want is to be together. And
Yeah,
love
this
each
is
other
Detective
away
Frank
from all
Rossi. I
this
want to
madness
speak to
that's
Helen
plaguing our
Walensky right now.
Who's Helen?
Shut up.
city. A young couple like this that can
I know she's on the air. Get her off now.
Who's Helen?
Thanks a lot.
Pray for change.
We gotta go. Move.
Come for a ride, lady. Come. Get it. I'm a fan, you know. I've always been a fan.
What do you want?
Oh, the news behind the news. And you didn't tell us. You didn't tell us where Romeo and Juliet are.
Tune in tomorrow.
Oh, God. Don't fuck with me, all right? You don't understand. You don't really believe that I'm gonna break your arms, one at a time. When you get to know me a little better, you'll tell me.
Oh, God! Oh.
Hey, fellas, what are you doing?
Where's Helen?
I don't know. She's not answering her pager. Now, gentlemen, I'm going to have to ask you to leave.
You stupid bastard. Why'd you let her do that story, huh? Where'd she find the girl?
I don't know. Helen didn't tell me. She wouldn't tell me. She never tells me anything.
Who'd she get her tip from?
People phone in here all the time. Maybe her messages.
You call them. You do your reporting thing. You find out where they are. You tell them you got money for them. I don't care what you got to do, but you get over there and you call them now. Now, please.
For Christ's sakes, get on with it. We gotta get out of here.
What do you think?
Shut up!
We didn't do anything!
Yes, you did.
No balls or brains, huh, Shaka?
Shut her up!
Kasajian wants the war to stop. It's her brother you want, not her.
He's next.
No, he's not. You can't get him. He's beating you all over town. My guess is if he keeps it up, you're a dead man.
Shut the fuck up.
You kill her and you got nothing to use against him. You're back to square one. Is that where you want to be, Chaka? Oh, Kasajian will love that.
Shut up! I'm trying to think. You got a nasty mind, lady.
I'm right.
We're all gonna go for a nice little boat ride. Come on.
Southside, top floor.
Gee, thanks.
They took Tara away.
Where?
To Kasajian. Grave freighter. At the spit.
Hey, that's Helen's car. Jeez, the plank's up. You think we can get up there?
If we don't, we will.
Is that the best answer you can give me?
Come on. I don't want a 6-shooter. I want an automatic. Chrome.
I look like Santa Claus to you, huh? Let's get out of here, man.
Yeah, it's Ethan.
Why, that son of a bitch. He's processing his own drugs.
Come on.
You got any ideas?
Yeah, let's go get him out.
I'm not Roy Rogers. I'm not gonna shoot my way in and shoot my way out. We need a diversion.
Come on, follow me. Shit! Something's wrong.
Huh?
Something's wrong.
Well, you're the expert.
I'll show you tough for you, should you? You're gonna get it.
Frank. Frank.
Huh?
Welcome aboard, Frank.
I'll take care of our guest, Mr. Kasajian.
Haven't you already taken your best shot?
Well, actually, I haven't even started.
You son of a bitch!
I'll kill you!
No. This is really most refreshing. I think I'm going to enjoy this. Gentlemen, have fun. Mr. Gitano and I will be entertaining the ladies below. Don't forget to clean up after you. And throw out the trash.
I'll kill you, you son of a bitch!
Yes, sir.
You're mine now!
How's your memory?
It's a little fuzzy.
Let me refresh it. Remember this? Nice try.
In the right hands, these tiny needles can cause exquisite pain.
I remember this too. Take him outside, boys. Take him for a swim.
What do you want to know?
Nothing.
Leave her alone!
Thanks for coming out, Frank.
Kiss my ass.
Want to be dead? Huh? Want to be dead? Isn't that what you said? Here's a chance of a lifetime. You can't kill me, pig. You gotta read me my rights. You got the right to remain silent. Forever.
Don't move. Come out or I'll kill her.
Could this be your brother? Your very costly rampaging brother.
Let her go, Kasajan. It's not her you want. It's me.
Throw the gun away.
Let her go.
Throw it away.
Let her go.
Frank. Oh, God. Oh, God. Frank? Frank!
Helen? Helen?
Oh, God, Frank. Oh, Frank.
What are you gonna do about all this mess? I think I'm gonna blame it on you.
All by myself? It's a hell of a job.
One man. One unstoppable man takes on a whole crime syndicate by himself.
Comes in the night, destroys, and disappears.
And disappears.
Thank you.
Let's get out of here. Slow.
There. Channel 3 will be here soon.
No.
Oh, come on. One comment.
No. No.